Hey guys, Adam here from Travel Inspired. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I capture heaps of epic footage for my travel videos. But firstly, Papua New Guinea coffee, in Papua New Guinea, and check out this view. So first things first, you obviously need to be out there to capture the footage. So head outside with your phone or your camera and just look for anything that captures your eye, hit record and just start filming. And a tip that took me a while to figure out was that it's important to just film, film and film. You can never capture too much footage, and there's nothing more frustrating than going home after a day of filming and not really having the clips that you want and having to make do and sacrifice. So yeah, hit that record button and just keep on filming, keep doing retakes, keep doing different angles, keep getting that footage.
Have fun.
And a tip that seems super obvious that a lot of people forget about is that you need your camera on you at all times. So try and get into the habit of taking it wherever you go, because you just never know when something might happen that you want to film. Now you might be thinking, I don't really have anything interesting going on. That's where I recommend reach out to friends and family. Have a think about their interests, their hobbies, and the work that they do. Now if there's people that you follow on social media, so Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, feel free to flick them a message and yeah, reach out to them and see if they want to go shoot or see if they want to collaborate on a project. I've done it many times and caught up with people here in Papua New Guinea and also in New Zealand and even the Federated States of Micronesia. And it's a great way to meet with like-minded people and really get those kind of creative juices flowing. And once you get filming, think about the angles as well. Try and mix up where you're shooting from, different perspectives. So shoot from down low or up high. Put your phone or your camera in a tree, on a log, on the floor, and just keep things interesting for the viewers. Now if you are using your phone as your camera, which is all good, I highly recommend flicking it over to flight mode when you're recording. It's something that I do when I'm going off on a hike or I'm out in a boat for the day and I want to get heaps of awesome footage. Put it in flight mode and my Samsung S6 will pretty much last all day long. Now, a few additional items that I carry with me are additional batteries, spare SD cards and a power bank for charging all my devices. So I hope you find some of these tips useful, and just remember the most important thing is just to get out and shoot. Just film, 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 have no fear and just go for it. Enjoy, have fun. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you want to subscribe, that'll be awesome.